We are gathered to celebrate the commitment of the men and women God have called to serve in the next term.
Truly, BCBP Lipa South is glowing and tremendously growing. Look at the whole place here. It's filled up. 2 rows, 2 columns, that means 2 chapters.
3 years ago, I, together with my wife Chen, said yes to become a chapter head of Lipa South chapter. I carried the cross and followed the Lord where He leads. Today, I will put down this cross that I learned to love, to allow others to carry them.
On behalf of the management committee and the rest of the brotherhood community, we wish to express our sincere gratitude to you for your unselfish dedication and service as chapter head of BCBP Lipa South Chapter.
Mga kapatid, purihin natin ang Panginoon. Aleluya, aleluya. Ngayong araw, ang salita ng Diyos ay parang malakas na ihip ng Espiritu Santo. Gumising, magpapalakas at nagbibigay babala. Hindi para tayo takutin, ngunit para ihanda tayo upang maging tunay na mga anak ng liwanag.
We are pleased to inform you that the BCBP Management Committee, MANCOM, has approved your appointment as the Regional Council Director for Batangas South Region.
Having accepted the service of being the Regional Council Director of Batangas South Region is a grace from God. Truly, our dear Lord is a gracious God.
You know that you cannot lead your chapter except through the grace and by the power of God's Spirit, and that no one can impose this service on another. Therefore, are you willing to accept the service of a chapter head?
Yes, I will.
As a chapter head, your principal responsibility shall be to shepherd your members in their walk with the Lord according to the vision and mission of the brotherhood community. You shall safeguard and promote the BCBP culture and way of life in your chapter. We thank you for accepting the service as chapter head, and the whole brotherhood community is one with you in praying that the Holy Spirit will guide and protect you in your service for the greater glory and honor of God.
When I was asked if I wanted to take the position of a chapter head, knowing the responsibilities that come with it, as a committed servant, my heart immediately says, "Yes, Lord, send me." But my mind was asking, how can I faithfully serve you, Lord, as a chapter head with the little time I have because of my profession? And so I prayed and asked the Lord for His provision. And God answered me in Matthew chapter 16, verse 24, "Deny yourself, carry your cross, and follow me." Kaya po ako nasa harapan nyo ngayon ay dahil sa kanyang pagpapala. This mandate is not a reward. It is a weighty assignment, a call to serve, to shepherd, and to sacrifice. I accept this calling with a sense of awe and prayer that the Lord will use my shortcomings to demonstrate His perfect strength.
We have read the pledge, and that pledge signifies that you will continue to live out the BCBP way of life.
Their dedication has led to this moment. And now,
When God calls us to serve, He will provide. He will give us whatever we need. We just have to trust His providence.
Each one of us could be a source of inspiration. Come and serve together. embrace an inclusive servant leadership, and make your chapter a beacon of hope.
BCBP Lipa South, mabuhay!